Welcome to Ngobo 20 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.com. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 20 Shop I channel. We are here at Moses Mabhida Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Orlando Pirates 1. My brother, how's it?
I'm fine and thanks, and you?
Good, thanks, man. Your take on the game today?
Actually, I would like to thank the guys for winning the Nedbank Cup.
Yeah.
Actually, I think it's my opinion. I'm not happy with how we play.
Yeah.
But sometimes we don't have to play for fun or maybe for good or you have to play for result.
Yeah.
I think today the guys they were invited. They were invited to a party at
Moses Mabhida
Stadium in Durban, Afastri, and then they showed up.
They honored the invitation.
Yeah, they honored the invitation.
Yeah.
There were too many talks that I can't go into details because in terms of tickets, but they did show up. As like they were invited. But what I can say is that in terms of how we played, I don't care how we played. Actually, this is a cup final.
The result.
We don't have to play good or what.
Exactly.
But you have to play for the result. It's a cup final.
Yeah.
You can create one chance and score.
Exactly.
And you can create 10 chances. 10. But if we don't convert those chances, then you lose. Engakusho. Sengibuyela nje kumakhela.
Nazo.
Bese ngiqala ukuluza ithemba kunaphi. Ngikhuluma iqiniso.
Especially ukuba kade eluze namhlanje kade kuzokwanakala.
Mfethu mina ngiyayithanda iChiefs kakhulu. Kodwa angifuni ukuthi ngoba naku iChiefs inqobile namhlanje awini icup bengathi uNabi bese ngikhola kuyena. uNabi bese ngiqala ukuluza ihope kuyena ukuthi khonde kalungu iChiefs. Why bengiluza ihope? Benginento ukuthi if siyaluza namhlanje ngibheka iposition yethu kuloko. Angeke sikwazi ukungena kwi-top 8 so depend kuma opponent or emathina semva kwethu
i-calculator cabanga olukhulu kanje phela leqembu lelikhulu lingakhohlwa phela.
So mina bese bengasabali kakhulu ukuthi siwini Nedbank kwayisithi bese ngibala ukuthi i-future ithini i-future i-Nedbank iyasibeka ukuthi singakwazi ukukhompyutha e-Africa Confederations Cup. Kodwa are we proud? No, we are not proud because asebenzanga ukuthi sibthole lo qualify sisetshenzele iStellenbosch.
Kanjani ngoba
iStellenbosch if besingakhonanga ukufika kuma knockout stages beke siconsider isho thina as Chiefs njengabantu abangadlala kwi-Nedbank, not as Chiefs but as i-loser or i-winner ye-Nedbank Cup final.
No. Every time, correct up. Every winner in Nedbank Cup, despite which you qualify, as long as you are a winner of the Nedbank Cup, you automatically qualify. Yeah.
That's why when I put them telling you, mina, bese si supporter iStellenbosch as amakhosi. Ayingoba sifuna iStellenbosch siwine cup, but as sifuna iStellenbosch siwine i-Africa Confederations Cup. Then she was qualified automatically because Chile was official Sultan Pirates final.
Bese nivele qualify despite ukuthi
bese qualify.
Noma ngabe nidliwe namhlanje.
iStellenbosch besliwe.
Yeah.
Noma nje besliwe namhlanje bese qualify.
Benzo qualify because of Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates you number 2. So uyodlala kwi-CAF Champions League. And then Nina as the runners up as a Nedbank Cup, you qualify because of i-Pirates ngeke izidlale i-Confed ne-CAF Champions League at the same time. So meaning ukuthi banikeza iposition yabo bathathana, but manje ni qualify direct without ukudependa ku-Stellenbosch.
Ngifuna ukuthi noma ngabe wena noma ngabe umunye umuntu angilungise.
Sure put.
Ukuba iStellenbosch sinoke out iSimba. Ukuba iStellenbosch bekwenzekile sawwina i-CAF Confederations Cup, i-Chiefs yadliwa i-Pirates,
Yeah.
iStellenbosch sagcina siwu number 4 or siwu number bani kwilog ezinjamanje sikhuluma isikhukhune siwu number 3
Yeah.
ibingakwazi ni Chiefs ukungena
Ibingeke zikwazi ngoba iStellenbosch besizobe siphindela khona le. But I think I stand to be corrected because of I think Stellenbosch se qualify automatically
as
champions.
But asona ama champions manje.
Beso qualify ngithi ukukhuluma ukuthi ukuba kade bewinning. Yes. So kade bezo qualify automatically
as champions.
Like nina njengamanje ni wine Nedbank Cup, you are qualifying automatically without depending on Pirates ukuthi number 2 or number. No, me Pirates ngaba number 2, 3 manje. It doesn't matter but you have qualified.
Ngifuna ukuthi ngilungise.
That's all put.
As ikhosi before sidlala ifinal Pirates.
Yeah.
iStellenbosch idlale la against Simba.
Yeah.
If iStellenbosch besiwinile le competition le Confederations Cup bewuzoba yi-must ukuthi Chiefs ayiwine le tournament namhlanje CAF.
Yeah, because
I mean
yeah, kodwa nakho that's why ngithi mina I stand to be corrected ukuthi if ukuthi beyidliwe namhlanje Pirates I mean i-Chiefs and iStellenbosch siwinile bese iStellenbosch besizoya automatically so wena bozoya because of uphume obey runners up final.
That's why ngithi mina
because of Pirates yona izobe qualified for a Champions League.
That's why ngithi si live. That's why ngithi mina kwesi isikhathi kufuna ukuthi si understand ilanguage of football or ilanguage of ball ukuthi iChiefs abanye bethu bebazi ukuthi isi already ku final no bengeke ku final iChiefs
ifinal njani
like ukuthi ukuthi you play i-confetti
no already ngiyacorrect futhi already because of
after iStellenbosch losing
noma losing noma winning remember iPirates they is a qualifier for two tournaments
yeah officially bezothatha ini
Champions League banikeza wena i-confederations
banikeza i-confetti
despite ukuthi laba winile yes you are runners up
yeah so I understand ukuthi iPirates as number 2 weloko
yeah
PSL
he qualify for Champions League
for the Champions League
as the champion in Nedbank Cup qualify for confetti so inikeza wena
ke choice okuchuza ukuthi idlala ipi
but asingayenzi le ngoba manje so qualifyile ngoba manje sekumoshela isikhathi uzoshiwe i-flight
kodwa ke yona ikhosi mfethu
yeah
asibonge
nazo
la igama engalisho nje ukuthi asibonge ngoba sesize isikhathi mfethu
danke ngicela ubatshene lapho ukuthi ubayigama obuyaphi
unjini
yeah
usize unjini
injini esithuthu noma
general
yeah
bayagaza ngiphume
emzimkhulu siyabonga kakhulu bafone okhonza emzimkhulu uyinyathele kahle danke For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngoba2010sharpi.com.